Hello lovely people, what's up? How are you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing as well as a get ready with me. Keep on watching and enjoy the videos. I joined this little modeling competition, which is like probably my first one, like big modeling competition. Like I've joined some before, but they were just small competitions. For this said competition, we were required to make a virtual fashion show and then a face-to-face. The virtual fashion show is gonna be first, and then the face-to-face is going to be the finals. So I'm quite excited. It also happened that another sponsor wanted to collaborate with the event. I actually just received the package of the t-shirts that I will be wearing. I was told that inside here there will be the t-shirt from the sponsor as well as a small gift from them and the t-shirt from the event. So I'm gonna be unboxing it right now with you. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Like, I did take a sneak peek of the brand of the sponsor. It's called Rakista Clothing. So it's more on like graphic tees and all of that. Oh my god! There's a little note here. Okay, let's open it. Oh my goodness! Oh, this is the t-shirt from the event. And I'm guessing this is from the sponsor. Okay, I'm gonna open first for the event. Ooh, blue corner. Wow, this t-shirt actually looks really quality. Summer Vogue model 2022. So cute. It's a like gradient design. Now let's open the sponsored t-shirt. We will be taking some photos with these t-shirts as well. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, OMG. This is the t-shirt from Rakista Clothing. They even have their own tag. This is their tag. I believe you can find them on Shopee. They have Facebook and Instagram. I also saw that they have different styles and they have caps, hats, and other fun stuff. It's only the t-shirts though. Did I miss something? I don't know. I think I was told there was gonna be an extra thing with it, or maybe they didn't continue with it. Anyways, thank you so much, Rakista Clothing. If you're into the type of t-shirts, graphic tees, you know, like emo designs, Rakista is for you, okay? What are you waiting for? Go check them out in their social media. I'll put right here their Instagram and their Shopee accounts. I will also be doing a little photo shoot with these t-shirts as it is part of the requirement of the event. So I will be taking you with me behind the scenes so that you can see how I get ready, the process of this little journey that I'm going through, modeling. Oh my gosh. She a model now. Actually, I've always wanted to do modeling, but I've never really pursued it like seriously and 100% on. I've been more like focused on school before, but since I stopped this year, I don't know, I'm just flowing. I'm just going with the flow. Also, you guys, I don't have a TikTok as of now. I was also told that we need to make a TikTok with the Rakista t-shirt, so I'm gonna have to start TikTok. Okay, I'm gonna have to hop in there. So if you guys want to check out my TikTok, go ahead and follow me. I'll put it right here. I think I'm slowly going to become a TikToker now. That's going to be it for this little unboxing section or part. I will be seeing you in a second when I film the get ready and styling part of these t-shirts for the photo shoot. I was kind of unsure of what size to get for these t-shirts, so I'm gonna try it right now so you guys can see how it looks like, right? Cue the montage. You guys, so right now I'm in the t-shirt. I've already put it on. I think it's a little bit too big on me. It's okay, like big to use like at home, right? But for the fashion show, I don't know. But I managed to fold it in here, the sleeves, so that it doesn't appear too large. This is how it looks like, but it goes up to here. I'm just gonna have to go like this. I guess this will have to do because I don't know if I can like exchange it.
One eternity later.
It's been a few days since I filmed the unboxing of the t-shirt. Today we're going to be getting ready for the photos that we're going to be taking. I think we're go to a studio to take the photos, and right now I'm gonna start doing my makeup. I already primed my face with the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. So now I'm gonna go with that concealer. For this look, I will be using this color right here. It's like a sky blue because I want it to match with the t-shirt. It looks so dark on camera, but in real life, it looks a little bit more bright. So as you can see, I just applied everything all over the lid. So I put some tape on my eyes because I want to do like a eyeliner. So I'm just going to use this hack so that it turns out clean and straight. I'll be using a black eyeshadow right here to do the wing at the end. This is how it turned out. Now I'm gonna be using some of these shadows. So they're like loose powder, but they're neon, which is cool. I'll be using the color pink, which would match with the t-shirt, and I'm just gonna put it in the inner part of my eyes. Guys, I just finished doing my brows and the lower part of my eyes. Now I'm gonna go to my eyelashes as well as the rest of my face makeup. Now I will be adding a little bit of this shade right here, like a metallic pink. That way it will give a little bit more shine to the inner corner of the eye. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Master Strobing Cream from Maybelline. I put a little bit on my hand, and then I'm just going to start applying it on my face to highlight the high points of my face like that. And finally, I'm gonna be using some falsies. I know this is going to take me a while to put on, so I'll probably be just doing it off camera, so I'll be right back. This is the final look. Moving on onto my hair. I think I'm officially done. For now, I'm going to start keeping everything away. I'm going to prepare the things I'm going to be bringing for the shoot. We're in photo line, so we're just waiting for the photos. They actually do have some cameras in here. They have Instax. That one is so cute, that case. Alright you guys, so we just got off the studio. We're here in Burger King. I forgot to record, we were there as always. So right now we're already going to eat. We're just waiting for the photos. So we just got home. It did take a while. We waited for the photos for a bit, but there's a lot of people and customers at the studio, so we're gonna be going back to get the photos. I guess that's going to be it for today's video. I didn't record much of us going around the mall. I hope you liked this short tutorial and unboxing video, sort of. And for today's video, we will be giving a shout out to the people right over here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. Babush! And no, but I